Welcome all. In last lecture we have seen the block diagram of Mealy machines and Moore machine. After that we have seen their examples also. Today we are going to learn how to design a sequential circuit for the Mealy machine. So here we have to design the sequential circuit for Mealy machine from the following state diagram. This is our question. This state diagram is our question. From this state diagram we have to design a sequential circuit for the Mealy machine. From this state diagram we will come to know that whether this state diagram is of Mealy machine or Moore machine. As the outputs are not shown inside this state, they are shown with the combination of input. Therefore this state diagram is of Mealy machine. So we have to design the sequential circuit for the same. So first of all we have to prepare the state table from the given state diagram. So in all there are 4 states. So present states are 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. After that now we will see the present state of the machine goes to the next state with respect to the variation of the input and their corresponding output values. Now if we see the state 0 0, we will check that state for input 0 and input 1. First, when input is 0, the state remains in that state only, therefore here 0 0 is written, and for that output is 0, it is shown over here. After that, when state is in 0 0, when we apply input 1, it will goes to state 0 1, it is shown over here. When input is 1, present state goes to 0 1, and for that the output value is 0. So for x, when x is 1, the output will be 0. Similarly we will check for the state 0 1. 0 1 state is over here. We will check it for input 0 and input 1. When input is 0, it is shown over here, it changes to state 1 0 and output is 0. After that, when input is 1, the machine remains in that state only. Therefore for x is 1, when x is 1, the next state is 0 1, and for that output is 0, shown over here. Similarly we will check for 1 0. For 1 0, when input is 0, it is shown on this arrow, it goes to state 0 0, and for that output is 0. For 1 0 state, when input is 1, it goes to 1 1, and corresponding output is 1. Similarly we will check for 1 1. 1 1 state goes to 0 0, when input is 0, it is shown over here. After that output for that is 0. 1 1 state goes to 0 1, when input is 1, it is written over here, and corresponding output is 1. This is how we can complete the state table from the given state diagram. So for the Mealy machine there are 3 blocks: input combinational logic block, memory element, output combinational logic block. So in place of memory element we have to use the flip-flops, but in question it is not mentioned which flip-flop is supposed to use. So we will use D flip-flop as a memory element. For that we require excitation table of the D flip-flop. This is the excitation table of the D flip-flop. When present state is 0 and next state is 0, then D input is 0. When present state is 0, next state is 1, then D input is 1. When present state is 1, next state is 0, D input is 0. When present state is 1, next state is 1, In that case D input is 1. So we already studied how to form the excitation table for the given flip-flop from its truth table. So we are going to use this excitation table for the design of sequential machine. Now we will form the state transition table for the Mealy machine with the help of state table and excitation table. So in this, input X is shown, present state Q2, Q1. These are the inputs of our state machine. So in all there are 3 variables, then possible combinations will be 8. We already know how these 8 possible combinations are formed in the subject of digital techniques. So with the help of these input combinations, we will write now the next state, what the D inputs are and their respective output values. Now we will go one by one. When input X is 0, present state is 0 0, we will observe this state table to write next state of Q2 and Q1. So for input X is 0, present state is 0 0, then next state is 0 0. So I will write 0 and 0 over here for Q2 Q1. After that, when X is 0, the output is 0. I will observe this column for the present state 0 0. So output is 0 for this. Now I have to write the D inputs D2 and D1. For that I will use the excitation table. For D2, observe the values of Q2 and Q2 plus. Q2 is 0, Q2 plus is 0. That is, present state is 0, next state is also 0. In that case, T input is supposed to be 0. So I will write 0 over here. After that, for D1, I have to observe the present state of Q1 and next state of Q1. Present state is 0, next state is also 0. So for 0 0, T input is again 0 and the respective output is 0. Similarly, I will write for the next state. Again here the value of X is 0, present state is 0 1, then next state is 1 0. So I will write 1 0 over here. After that, the output value is 0. I will write over here for X is equal to 0. Again, by observing value of Q2 and Q2 plus, that is 0 1. For 0 1, the output is 1. So I will write D2 as a 1. Again, Q1 is 1, Q1 plus is 0. So for 1 0, the D input is 0. So I will write D1 as a 0. Similarly, I will complete the table. When X is 0, present state is 1 0, next state is 0 0. When X is 0, present state is 1 1, then next state is 0 0. Similarly, when X is 1, present state is 0 0, next state is 0 1. I will write over here. When X is 1, present state is 0 1, next state is also 0 1. I will write over here. When X is 1, present state is 1 0, next state is 1 1. I will write over here. After that, when X is 1, present state is 1 1. For that, next state is 0 1. So I will write 0 1 over here. Similarly, by observing values of Q2 and Q2 plus, I will write the value of D2. By observing values of Q1 and Q1 plus, I will write values of D1. So for the excitation table of D flip-flop, we know from the truth table also, the next state of the D flip-flop follows the D input. So whatever the next state values are there, they will be the values of D2. So I will write the Q2 plus values for D2 directly. This we can write in case of D flip-flop only. For other flip-flop we have to observe the excitation tables. For Q1 plus, the values of Q1 plus will be the values of D1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I will write now values of output. First 4 entries are for x is equal to 0. They are all 0. And next 4 entries are for the input x is equal to 1. That is 0, 0, 1, 1. This is how we can complete the state transition table for the Mealy machine. From this, we have to calculate the expressions of D2, D1 and Y. So, this is the state transition table which we have formed in the previous slide. From this, we have to calculate the equation of D2, D1 and Y. So, 3 variable K-map is used over here. 3 input variables are there. So this is the 3 variable K-map. In this, now we are going to fill the values of D2. So this is the value of D2 column. So I will enter these values into the K-map. Now the values of D2 are 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. We already know how to enter these values. After that 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So here after entering the values of D2 into the K-map, we supposed to find the octet, chord or pair, but in this case we don't find any octet, chord or pair. So we will write directly the equation of D2. This is the one. For this the equation will be x bar q2 bar q1 plus, for this one I will write the equation as x q2 q1 bar. This is the equation of D2. Similarly, we will find the equation of D1 by entering the values of D1 column into the K-map. The first 4 values are 0, 0. I will enter them. After next 4 values are 1, 1, 1, 1. After entering, I will find first whether octet is available or not. There is no octet. Here we can form a chord. This is the chord. So the value of D1 will be x only. Similarly, I can find the value of equation of y by entering the values of y onto the K-map. So first 4 values are 0, 0, 0, 0. Next 4 values are 0, 0, 1, 1. So here we can find this pair. So for that pair I can write the value of y, equation of y as x q2. We already know how to write the equations by forming pair, chord or octet. So we find the equations of D2, D1 and Y. This is the equation of D2, D1 and Y. From this I can realize the required state machine which is to be designed. So here first D flip-flop is used as a memory element. This is D1, Q1, Q1 complement. This is D2, Q2, Q2 complement, and a clock pulse is given over there. So now from this, for D2, this combinational circuit is formed and it is given as an input to the D2. We know already how to prepare a combinational circuit or construct combinational circuit from the given Boolean expression. For D1 the equation is x, so I will connect x directly to D1. We have connected this D1 over here. After that the value of y is x q2, so y For this AND gate, the input is x and q is given over here, q2 is given over here, so we will find value of y as a xq2. This is how we can realize the state machine from the given state diagram. Now we will see the next design problem. In this, again a state diagram is given. From that we have to design the state machine for the Mealy model. So from this state diagram I have to prepare first state table. So there are 4 states A, B, C, D are written over here. Now I will observe the present state goes to next state for the values of x and I will write down their respective values of output y. Now when present state A when I apply a input 0, it will remain in that state only. So I will write for x0 A. When x is 1, it will goes to state B, and for value of x 0 output is 0, for value of x 1 output is 1. After that I will write for the state B. When machine is in state B, the input, when I apply input value of x as a 1, observe this, value of x is 1 now over here, then it remains in that state only. So for x1 a B is written over here. When value of x is 0, it goes to state C, it is written over here. When value of x is 0, then output is 1. When value of x is 1, then output is 0. Similarly I will write for state C. When x is 0 over here, it remains in that state only. When x is 1, it goes to state D. When x is 0, output value is 1. When x is 1, output value is also 1. Similarly I will write for the state D. When x is 0, it goes to state A. When x is 1, it remains in that state only. When x is 0, the value of output is 0. When x is 1, the value of output is 1. So this is how I can prepare the state table. So here in the question it is said that we have to design the sequential circuit using JK flip-flop. So I will use the memory element as a JK flip-flop, or I will use JK flip-flop as a memory element. So for that we require the excitation table of JK flip-flop. It is written over here. We already know how to construct the excitation table of respective flip-flops. From that directly I have written here the excitation table for JK flip-flop. We will use the state table and excitation table. The state table and excitation table for forming the state transition table. Now here the state names are given as A, B, C, D. Now I will assign the binary values to the states. For A 00, for B 01, for C 10, for D 11. So after assigning the binary values, the state table will look like this. This state table and this state table is same, only the values when only the states names A, B, C, D are replaced with their binary values. Now we have to form from the state table and excitation table the state transition table. Again there are 3 input values x, q2, q1. X is input, q2 and q1 are the present states. These are 3 variables, therefore possible combinations are 8. Now I will enter the values of next state for the x when x is 0. For this time the value of x is 0. Present state is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So I will write directly the next state values when x is 0 as 0, 0, 1, 0. This is again 1 0, again 0 0. After that I will write next state values when x is 1, that is first one is 0 1, second one is 0 1, third one is 1 1, and last one is 1 1. So after this I have to write the j and k input by comparing the values of q2 for j2 k2 and q1 for j1 k1. So first I observe the q2 and this q2, present state q2 and next state q2, both are 0 0. So I will from excitation table, when present state is 0, next state is 0, the value of j and k is 0, don't care. So I will write over here 0, don't care. Similarly for q1, present state is 0, next state is also 0, so for that also j1 k1 will be 0, don't care. So in the same way I will write all these entries by comparing q2 present state and q2 next state. After that I will write the value of y for x is equal to 0 0 1 1 0. When x is 1, the value of y is 1 0 1 1. So after completing the state table it will look like this. So using this state transition table, now I have to find the value of j2 k2 j1 k1. Again I will use the 3 variable k-map for j2. Observe this column, enter the values 0 1, don't care, don't care, 0 0, don't care, don't care. So here I can form a pair like this. We already know how to form this. So from this the value of j2 will be x bar q1. Similarly for k2, enter the values in the k-map, don't care, don't care, 0 1. After that don't care, 0 0. Here also I can form this pair. So the equation of k2 will be x bar q1. Similarly enter the values of j1 in the k-map, 0, don't care, 0, don't care, 1, don't care, 1, don't care. Now here I can form a chord like this. With this I can write the value of equation of j1 as x. After that enter the values of k1 onto the k-map, don't care 1, don't care 1, don't care 0, don't care 0. Here we have to form this chord. For k1 I can get the equation as x bar. Similarly enter the values of y onto the k-map as 0 1 1 0, 1 0 1 1. So here this one pair will be formed. So value of equation y I will write over here. For this pair the equation will be x q2 plus the next pair will be this one. For that the equation will be q2 q1 bar plus I can form this next pair. For that the equation will be x q1 bar plus for this last one I can write the equation as x q2 bar and q1. So this is the equation of y, x q2 plus q2 q1 bar plus x q1 bar plus x bar q2 q1. So using all these equations for j2, k2, j1, k1 and y, I can realize the diagram for the state machine of Mealy model. Here JK flip-flop is used as a memory element as said in the question itself. So this is how we can design the state sequential circuits for Mealy machine from the state diagram. Thank you.